Staff at the Family Health Center at Americana says that access to health services in the Beechmont neighborhood is growing at a pace that's hard to keep up with given their current resources. They say that thousands of people look to them for help every year. But as Wave News reporter Fernando Garcia Franceschini explains, money left over from the city's budget could help them bridge that gap.
This trailer behind me has been home for Family Health Center Americana for almost 20 years, but local leaders say it can't accommodate the amount of need they see in the community. Inside the trailer on the backside of the Americana Community Center, Family Health Centers sees more than 2,000 people a year. People seeking health services in one of Louisville's most vulnerable neighborhoods.
In zip code 40214, which is the zip code that Americana is in, more patients come to Family Health Centers from this zip code than any other zip code in Jefferson County. So we have a lot of patients in this area.
But on Tuesday, Mayor Craig Greenberg announced $800,000 in surplus funds would be allocated to renovating more than 10,000 square feet of the Americana Community Center, giving its Family Health Center a new and bigger home.
It was a trailer that they thought had a 2-year life to provide some temporary services that kept going and going and going, and has needed support and funding to grow to support the growing healthcare needs of the surrounding residents and communities.
Renderings show what the new Family Health Center will look like. The new space will allow for more exam rooms, increasing the number from 4 to 8. It'll also expand primary care capacity and add new behavioral health and support service areas. The money will also go towards opening a new pharmacy at the center, something local leaders say the Beechmont neighborhood desperately needs.
Several pharmacies have closed down in this part of Louisville over the last few years, so that's beyond the healthcare aspect. Being able to get your prescriptions is going to be important.
Construction on this project is expected to last about a year. Fernando Garcia Franceschini, Wave News.